Good morning. This project is about an analysis of the information system needs of the Audio-Visual Center Equipment Management of the DLS College of St. Benilde Learning Resource Center.
And we are Group Sister Rocas.
I am Aguvida.
I'm Vren DeGuzman.
And I'm Jason Villar. So a brief background of our company.
Vision Mission. Vision Statement. The Salle College of St. Benilde, a member of the Salle Philippines, sa Catholic Dynamic and Innovative Learning Community. Guided by the silent principles of faith, sealed in service, communion, mission, it recognizes the uniqueness of every individual and responds to the diverse needs of all learners. Mission Statement. At the Salle College of St. Benilde, we believe that it is in community that we create and nurture a learning climate promoting success through mutual support and respect for all learners.
Company history and present status. De La Salle College of St. Benilde is a member of De La Salle Philippines, a network of 18 institutions managed by the Brothers of the Christian Schools. As such, it is guided by the principles of La Salle education. It traces its origin to the Career Development Program of De La Salle University, Manila. In 1980, under the administration of Brother Andrew Gonzalez, FSC, the CDP was opened as a night school for working professionals.
Significance of the study. The study that we made can be big help to everyone, not only to the student but also to the staff of our school's audiovisual center. The data that we gather that shows how ABC people collate the information of the borrowers and the equipment. This study can also show the ABC on how can they improve and make their service fast. Instead of using manual method, they can use a machine which can be a big help to the students and can make their work fast. This method should be changed because other schools have automatic method in their ABC. This study can also help the school on how their department work. With this, we hope that we are able to show our points. Scope and limitations. Based on our research, the ABC or the ABC technicians are still adapting the old way of processing manually transactions like borrowing or returning equipment. ABC technicians will manage the system easier and keep track of all things needed. The system will give the prosecutions an alert for those who have not given the equipment on their due date. Process walkthrough. 1. Proceed to the ABC MSN. The only thing that can make this step hassle is when there are other people filling up the form and waiting for the equipment. 2. Fill up a form of ABC equipment concerns. The problem for this is there's many people who are in the line filling up the form and there are only few technicians. It will be very difficult for both sides if the process of this step will take a long time. 3. Submit the accomplishment form and your ID to the ABC technician. The requirement should be done properly. If there are problems occurred in, it will take a long time to process. The things needed should be ready for submission. 4. The ABC will confirm the form and get the equipment. There should be no errors in the requirement. It only takes a little time when technician get the equipment because the equipment is stored near them. 5. The ABC will check or test the equipment. If the equipment is damaged or malfunctioning, the technician should immediately work on it and get new equipment so it will not give difficulties to anyone. 6. The ABC will hold your requirements. The requirement should be stored in the place where it should be easily find. If not taken care of, it will hassle someone. 7. Equipment is not in your possession and ready to use. The equipment should be handled properly to avoid any damage on the equipment to lessen the hassle of what to do in the ABC.
Process time versus cycle time. So the first step is to proceed to the ABCEMS Center. It will only take you 5 minutes. The second step is fill up a form for ABC equipment concerns. So the processing time for this is 2 minutes and it will take you 4 minutes for the cycle time. Third step is to submit the accomplished form and your ID to the ABC technician. It will take 2 minutes of your processing time and 4 for your cycle time. The fourth step is the ABC will confirm the form and get the equipment. So the processing time is 2 minutes and the cycle time is 4 minutes. So the fifth step is the ABC will check or test the equipment. So it will approximately take 3 minutes and the cycle time is 5. So the sixth step is the ABC will hold your requirement. So it will only take less than a minute or equal to 1 minute and the cycle time will be 3. So the seventh and last step is the equipment is in your possession already and it's ready for use. Recommendations. So the problems to be addressed is first is due to the increasing demand for digital technology and the fact that it is becoming increasingly difficult to source and maintain the old technologies, we recommend for the for improvement that the maintenance or the quantity and efficiency should rise, and this will affect how the system's process will be a lot faster and it will accommodate more people. So the second problem to be addressed is errors involving transactions. They are manually done and therefore it might have errors. So our recommendation for improvement is that the system should be organized and should be able to function properly. And the affected activities will be it will lessen the errors and confusions. Our use case diagram for the proposed system, what we did with it is that we added some actions that will double check and will make the transactions clear so that errors will not happen. Our activity diagram for the proposed system is this. So first is the borrower will borrow the equipment and he will present the form and his ID to the ABC. Then the ABC will check and validate the requirements. Then the ABC will prepare the equipment and will check if it is functioning, and then the ABC should double check and make the transactions clear to lessen the errors, and the borrower after that the borrower will get the equipment. So our conclusion for this is that the system will provide an easier and faster way of entertaining all the users or accommodating all the more users, and that the process of borrowing, returning, and reservation will have less errors, and this will make or give a help to everyone that it will make the process easier and less hassle.